In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted emails from Gmail. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. If you're not already signed in, sign into the account where the message was deleted. Once you're in your inbox, look to the left-hand sidebar. If you don't see all your folders, click more to expand the full list of labels. Next, open the trash, sometimes called bin, depending on your region. This is where Gmail keeps deleted messages for a limited time. Inside trash, you can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to narrow things down. A handy tip is to search by sender, subject, or keywords you remember from the email. You can also add in trash to your search to focus results on the trash folder. When you find the message you want to restore, select it by checking the box to the left of the email, then click the Move to icon. It looks like a little folder with an arrow. Choose where you want the message to go, such as your inbox or another label you prefer. As soon as you move it, the email will leave trash and reappear in the location you selected, ready for you to open and use like normal. It's important to know that deleted emails remain in trash for 30 days. After that, Gmail permanently removes them from trash. So if the message was deleted within the last month, you'll usually be able to bring it back using the steps we just covered. If your trash has been emptied or if the email was deleted more than 30 days ago, there's still one more option you can try. Google provides a specialized recovery tool that can sometimes retrieve messages that aren't visible in trash anymore. Open the Gmail message recovery tool in your browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct Gmail account, then follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your account and submit the request. This process is quick and doesn't require any technical steps. Just review, confirm, and send. After you submit, Google will scan for recoverable data. If anything is found, those emails will be restored to your account, typically within a few hours. Keep an eye on your inbox and all mail. Messages may return to their original labels or land in your inbox. If nothing shows up after some time, it usually means there wasn't any recoverable data available. That's it. Start with trash, use the move to icon to restore, remember the 30-day window, and if needed, try the Gmail message recovery tool. Thanks for watching, and I hope you recover the messages you need.